Next problem. Find the inverse z transformation of z cube minus z square plus 2z by z plus 1 into z minus 1 the whole square. Let f of z is equal to z cube minus z square plus 2z by z plus 1 into z minus 1 the whole square. Taking z outside in the numerator, so remaining you are having z into z square minus minus z plus 2 by z plus 1 into z minus 1 the whole square. So f of z by z divided by z on both sides, you will get f of z by z is equal to z square minus z plus 2 by z plus 1 into z minus 1 the whole square. So z in the numerator and denominator get cancelled. So equation number 1. Let us take z square minus z plus 2 by z plus 1 into z minus 1 whole square is equal to a by z plus 1 plus b by z minus 1 plus c by z minus 1 the whole square. It is equation number 2, right, by partial fraction. Multiply both sides by z plus 1 into z minus 1 the whole square. Left hand side, numerator and denominator terms z plus 1 into z minus 1 whole square get cancelled. Remaining you will get z square minus z plus 2, right, is equal to first term a into z plus 1 into z minus 1 the whole square by z plus 1. Z plus 1 z plus 1 get cancelled, numerator and denominator. So remaining you will get a into z minus 1 whole square plus the second term b into z plus 1 into z minus 1 square by z minus 1. So z minus 1 whole square get cancelled. So remaining z plus 1 into numerator. So b into z plus 1 into z minus 1 plus last term c into z plus 1 into z minus 1 whole square divided by z minus 1 whole square. Z minus 1 whole square get cancelled, so you will get c into z plus 1, right? So we are multiplying all those terms, right? Then remaining terms z square minus z plus 2 is equal to a into z minus 1 square plus b into z plus 1 into z minus 1 plus c into z plus 1. Put z is equal to 1. We need to find a, b, c. So z is equal to 1. So in the right hand side, 1 square minus 1 plus 2 is equal to first term a into 1 minus 1 0, b into c 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1 0, right? So c into 1 plus 1 2. Therefore you will get 2c which is equal to 2. Therefore c equal to 1. Next, put z is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 means minus 1 square minus of minus 1 plus 2. The left hand side is equal to right side minus 1 a into minus 1 minus 2 square plus b into minus 1 plus 1 0 plus c into minus 1 plus 1 0. So a 4a is equal to 4. Therefore a equal to 1. Therefore z square minus z plus 2 which is equal to a into, so now I am expanding the above one, right? This is another method. Otherwise you can put z equal to 0 and you will get an equation in ABC and substitute the value of c and a, so you will get b. That is easiest way. So you can proceed like this also, right? So because you should know the different ways to solve the equations, that is why, right? Equating the coefficients. So first one a minus b whole square. So z square plus 1 minus 2z. So expanding b into z minus 1 into z plus 1, right? So you will get z square minus 1, right? Then last term c into z plus 1. So grouping the coefficients, right? First left hand side z square coefficient 1, right hand side z square coefficient. So you are having a into z square plus b into z square. So a plus b. So first equation 1 equal to a plus b. Therefore b is equal to 1 minus a, right? So we know a equal to 1. Therefore b equal to 0, 1 minus 1, right? Therefore 2 becomes z square minus z plus 2 by z plus 1 into z minus 1 whole square equal to a equal to 1 by z plus 1, b which is equal to 0 by z minus 1, plus c 1 by z minus 1 the whole square. So f of z by z is equal to 1 by z plus 1 plus 1 by z minus 1 the whole square, right? Therefore f of z is equal to multiplying by z, so z by z plus 1 plus z by z minus 1 the whole square. Therefore z of f of n which is equal to z by z plus 1 plus z by z minus 1 the whole square. Therefore taking inverse z transformation, f of n which is equal to z inverse of z by z plus 1 plus z inverse of z by z minus 1 the whole square. We know z inverse of z by z minus a which is equal to a power n, and z inverse of a z by z minus a square is equal to n into a power n. The first term a is equal to minus 1, so you will get minus 1 power n. The second term also a is equal to plus 1, so n into a power n, n into 1 power n, so you will get n. Therefore inverse is the transformation is minus 1 power n plus n. Thanks.